In this video, I'm going to go over 5 different guitar bends from easy to hard, which will hopefully take you from good to great. My name is Richard Shepard and I'm the owner of the Heroes of Music Institute. Let's get started. We're going to be working in A minor pentatonic. Our first bend is a half step bend. Now we're going to be bending from this pitch to this pitch. And you want to go back and forth between those two pitches to memorize what your target pitch is. It's a very slight bend, but when I'm turning to bend on my left hand, I'm not leaving it up just to my fingers. I'm actually turning it like I would turn a doorknob. Guitar bend number 2 is a whole step bend. On my right hand, I'm using my thumb and my pinky and ring finger to control any excess ringing strings. It gives you greater control and it stops excessive noise from all the other strings. Hey, if you're interested in leveling up your guitar game, you can sign up for private lessons with either me or one of my instructors at info@heroesofmusicinstitute.com. We offer group and private classes. We teach beginner, intermediate, and advanced. So if this interests you, send an email to info@heroesofmusicinstitute.com with how many years you've been playing, what kind of guitar you have, what style of guitar you want to learn, and what are your top 3 goals with the guitar. Stay great. Our next bend is going to be a whole step and a half step bend. 2 whole step bends. Our last one is going to be a pre-bend. Now what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be doing a pre-bend up a whole step and a half. You start at your target pitch and release down. Let's put some of these bends in context. I hope this was helpful. If you found value in this video, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Stay great.